All right, so things are looking pretty good so far. But if you remember, the way the game is going to work is that when the player spawns over in the town, he is going to have a max number of nuggets that he can hold, right? Or max number of gold ore that he can hold. And it's going to be set to 2 in the beginning, right? So he's going to have to come out here, grab 2 gold ore, and then go back into town, sell them so that he can have room to come back and grab more, right? Um, then he's going to go ahead and need to purchase a heavy pack, which is going to add, I don't know, I think it's 4 more gold ore that he can carry. So then he can come here and he can collect 6 of them and then have to go back and sell them before he can come back and get 6 more. Right? So what we want to program now is only let them collect gold ore if the number of gold ore that they have is less than is less than their max gold ore that they can carry. Okay, so if their max gold ore is 2, like they're just starting the game, they can collect this guy, they can collect this guy, but then when they go to collect this guy, it should not let them do that. Okay, so that's going to force the player to have to go back into town, sell them, and come back out here. So if we want to do that, that's another piece of data that we need to save here on the server and on the client in leader stats. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a new value here called max ore. Okay, and in the beginning we want to set it equal to 2. Okay, so we're going to add it there, and we're also going to add it there, and how do we do that? Well, we know how to do that, right? Let's come back here to leader stats and add another value into here. So we're going to go ahead and copy gold ore. We're going to paste it here. We're going to change it to max ore. Let me put here max gold, actually, right? That's easier to understand, I think. So let's do that like that. Yeah, I think that's good. And then we're going to come here, and if the leader stats data is there, then we want to set our max gold equal to what's in the leader stats, what's saved on the server, right? If it's not, then we want to set max gold value equal to 2. Okay. And then when we save, we want to save the same way. So we're going to grab that. We're going to change this to max gold. And there we go, right? Let's go ahead and go to parts. Change this to max gold. See if it works. We'll play. Oh, I'm sorry. The only way to check if this works is to play it on the server, right? Not on Roblox Studio. So let me go ahead and stop this. And go to File, Publish to Roblox. We're waiting for the publish successfully. Okay. And then we're going to come over to here. And we're going to play Gold Rush 3. Open in Roblox. And oh no, I'm in the wrong spot. Okay, so let me leave here and go back to my studio. Let's highlight this spawn location right here. Click enabled off. Go to the first spawn location. Click enabled on. And then play again. I'm also going to change this location. Whoa, that's not right. Go to model. Move, change the location to be closer to the gold ore that I'm programming, which is right there. Save us some time. And then now I'm going to go to File, Publish to Roblox, and now I'm going to test it and see if it works. Okay, so I get nothing up here. Something is wrong. All right, so let's go back and see if there's something that I did wrong in the code to make that happen. Okay, so you see here on the connect, I forgot to put a semicolon when I'm packing up the data. Okay, so let's go ahead and put semicolon there and a semicolon there, and let's file, publish to Roblox, and then come back over here and play it. Now you see those small little mistakes are going to make one small mistake will make an entire script not run, right? And in that case, that's a very critical script that's going to save our data. So it's very important to save your changes every single time. Test your changes every single time you make an adjustment to your code. So here we go. We got money, gold ore, and max gold. When I touch this, my max gold should go up as it does. I'm going to go ahead and leave the game and play again and see if it's still at 73. It is still at 93, right? So I'm good to go. My max gold is working. Let's go ahead and end this video. We'll start